How do you fix a broken heart? You can't. You must let it fester and rot on its own. With time, new memories and experiences, the viable remnants would start to awaken and grow into this brand new heart without the heavy memories of its predecessor. It will slowly function and remember why it's here at the center of your chest, to pump the blood and nourish your whole body, and to remind you that you are alive. In time, it may even recognize a rhythm familiar to its own and share its beat with other hearts. In time, it may finally remind